This message is for Mathias Ezeaku and Reverend Father Angelo. Hello, my wonderful people. My name is God Mampam. Happy New Month. Now, Mathias Ezeaku has started again, and there is people supporting him. This Reverend Father Angelo is a Catholic Reverend Father, but what he is supporting, both the Libya and the Mathias Ezeaku, by donating 100,000 to Mathias Ezeaku. No, now I'm not against of him donating the 100,000, but there's many churches, there's many things we need to use that money to build. Now, let me come from Mathias Ezeaku, what he said concerning that people missed during the crusade in Ngopala. But that is lie. He has no evidence. That is deformation of character. You see, Zion has come to stay in Imo State. Precisely Ngopala, which is the headquarters of Zion Ministry. That is a good news for us, Ndi Igbo. Now, I don't know the mission of Mathias Ezeaku in Igbo Land. We don't know what he is doing, his mission in Igbo Land. Because he is against the good thing that is coming to us. Zion ministry coming to Igbo Land is a good thing. But I don't see the reason why Mathias Ezeaku will be claiming that 3 people were lost in the last crusade in Ngopala. That is a deformation of character. Of which, if he has been arrested now, he cannot provide an evidence. Believe in me, in Zion ministry, in these 3 days crusade, everything went well. But I don't know where Mathias Ezeaku got that information. Now, those people, they have families, if there's any person that lost there. And no family in everywhere in Igbo Land, their children, their people has been missing. But Mathias has now begun a propaganda against our own. Now, if he traces to Mathias Ezeaku, those people he traveled with in India, most of them didn't come home. Even their dead body. Now, Mathias has never accounted for all those things. Now, what he is saying is the incident that happens before the 3 days program of crusade in Ngopala. But I tell Mathias Ezeaku, go and look for that 3 people. Because you don't know what to say. That is why you are saying this. But be mindful of what you are saying. And if you forget, internet will remember you. Will remember what you said. Now, as he claimed that the 3 people missed, let us see whether there's families that are searching for their lost ones that came to Zion ministry in Ngopala. Since the end of this program, no families searching for their beloved ones. Let me repeat. Let us see if there is a family's members will come to report about the missing of their beloved members. Mathias Ezeaku, where did you come across that information? If it is right, go and report to police for verification. There's people that their duty is to verify all those things. That is the police people. If it is right, let him go and report to the police so that there will be a verification of what he is saying. Now, I don't want to go further on that. Let me go to Father Angelo. Father Angelo gave 100,000 to Mathias Ezeaku. On what basis? You see, Reverend Fathers, I respect them because they are ordained. But what Father Angelo is doing, I cannot support him in that. Giving 100,000 to Mathias, is it for what? Now, it is not good to castigate an ordained priest. But now, when a priest went far, supporting somebody who is not supporting Igbo Land, like Mathias Ezeaku, and some of the DBS he's meeting. Now, Reverend Father Angelo has been in constant communication with Mathias Ezeaku and some of the native doctors. Now, my question is that, why Reverend Father Angelo is with the native doctor and Mathias Ezeaku, who want to eliminate churches in Igbo Land? Reverend Father Angelo is a priest. He's a Catholic priest. But he is in constant communication with somebody who is against church. Father Angelo is in constant communication with somebody who want to eliminate churches in Igbo Land, who don't want Christians. I want to see the reason why. Reverend Father Angelo, a Reverend Father in close alliance with Mazi Dibia. Now, we have been crying day and night about the chaos in Igbo Land and the problems that is arising day and night in Igbo Land. There's no peace in Igbo Land. And we see somebody, a Messiah, who come down to see that Igbo Land is in a peace, in a peaceful mode. But our own, fighting our own. I don't see the reason why the Reverend Father, ordained Reverend Father in the Catholic, will be supporting Mathias Ezeaku and Mazi Dibia. He knows their aims. He knows their ways of eliminating, or they want to eliminate Christians in Igbo Land, of which he is one of the Christians in Igbo Land. But he is in constant communication with them. So, I want brothers and sisters to leave their comment in what I have said so far. You have seen a Messiah who came down to save our people. Then you are attacking him. Tomorrow, when they come for him, tomorrow, when you are arrested, people will be talking of Zion ministry. But now they cannot see what is happening. They cannot see what is going on. And my concern is about the Father Angelo, helping the people who don't want us to have rest in Igbo Land, who don't want Christians to live. So I will stop here till next time.